Hi guys and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to unbox my new watch, which is Daniel Wellington. Some of you people already knew that Daniel Wellington is going on some crazy deals on its Black Friday sale. So go and check out their website if you want to gift a watch to yourself or to your loved ones. The price of this watch is nearly around 12,000 rupees, but you can get it yours in just 5,270 rupees. Don't forget to add an additional 15% discount at the time of the checkout. Now let's unbox the watch and let us see what we get in the box. Daniel Wellington watches comes in different sizes like 28mm, 32mm, 36mm and 40mm. This is a 36mm watch. The quality of the case is impressive and you can see Daniel Wellington written on it. The size of the dial is smaller than I expected, but it looks premium and classy. The dial is made up of stainless steel. The weight of this watch is pretty light and you will barely feel any weight on your wrist while wearing it. Now let us see some of the sample shots of this watch. Now let us see what else we get in the box. It comes with an instruction manual. This watch comes with a warranty period of 2 years. It also comes with a pin which is used to change the straps of this watch. Now I would like to tell you that the things that I don't like in this watch. The length of the strap of this watch is quite small. And you can see the leather is fading its color with a minimal use. So guys, this is my first impression of this watch. If you like this video, then please do hit the like and subscribe button to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram.